These are all the high boundary walls, you can see, so that no inmate can escape. This was the weaving room where the inmates, they were given lessons, you know. So this is the place where they used to learn something to spend their time. The inmates used to learn so many things: carpentry, weaving, pottery, etc. And they generally get paid for this. These were the extracurricular activities. Some of them are closed. See, these were all the machines, weaving machines. They have kept it covered. So they used to sit here and they used to do some work, and in return they used to get some money which they have earned. Most of them are covered. There is another one who has done some work. See, let me see that one. These are all the weaving machines. This was the, mud oven where the cooking used to get done, and the inmates used to cook sometimes their own food if they were given the permission. All olden times wooden things. That is another part outside, you can see. I don't know whether that is closed or open. I don't think they allow the visitors to enter that place. The police museum. So let's go inside and see what it is. So many children, school kids, they have come here. These are all the various rooms. Upstairs also were few rooms. This was the playground at the back of me, as you can see. In the afternoon time, they used to play here. Have been nicely preserved and of course renovated later on, no doubt. This is actually light and sound show. You can see it. It's written here. People have gone upstairs also, as you can see. They are walking. This is a long type of hall where 30-40 prisoners can be put inside this huge room. These are not individual rooms. The big hall, as you can see, and the windows, you can see. There is of course the grill also over here. And see, this is how they were given the mattresses. They used to sleep on the floor. And this is so Jawaharlal Nehru who was the first Prime Minister of India, was put in this prison, as I earlier said also. And the prison looked in those times like this. These are the stairs. Now I'm climbing to go upstairs. To go to that place. This is the autopsy room after execution completed. So these are the beds, and the doctors used to examine and used to write the report. That was the execution point, you can see. They have been nicely maintained actually, if you can see. All the pictures, they were all executed in this prison. All the pictures of the freedom fighters. That was a picture of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, who was a freedom fighter, revolutionary.